guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a review on this book, Michelle Obama, Becoming by Michelle Obama. Sorry, my bad. I recently read this book and it's an amazing book. I highly recommend everyone to read this book. If you need motivation in your life, this book is for you. If you want to have some insights into the life of a US president and what happens in the White House, then this book again is for you. And if you have achieved a lot in your life but still you are confused in your life and you don't know what actually you want, then this book is definitely for you. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first, there is a quotation which I really liked. It was in the preface here, and she wrote that it's one of the most useless question an adult can ask a child. What do you want to be when you grow up? As if growing up is finite, as if at some point you become something and that's the end, because that is not the end. That is not the end of the world. Like people say that 10th कर लो खत्म, 12th कर लो बस, college में चले जाओ, अच्छे college IIT में चले जाओ, JNU में चले जाओ, your life is set. But I think कभी भी वो set नहीं होगी life. कुछ भी कर लो. There are going to be struggles, not struggles, but there are going to be some hurdles in your life and you have to overcome that. That is life. So it talks about that basically. I never felt even for a second that I am reading about the former First Lady of United States. She is as normal as I am. She is as normal as you are. She has normal concerns, like she has to take her children to school, she has to do the exercise in the morning. So I mean, you can actually relate to this book. And growing up, she came from a very normal middle class background. She had a normal childhood. She always had this habit of asking herself that, am I good enough? क्या मैं worth हूँ इस चीज को करने के लिए? Her teacher asked her, what are you doing? And she said, I want to go into Princeton. But her teacher said that don't think about it. You are not good enough for that. And उसके बाद she asked herself, am I good enough? And the answer was yes, you are. Then she went into Princeton, Harvard, and eventually she became a lawyer. And when she was working there, she was earning a lot at that point of time, and she had a loan to repay. But still, she felt somewhere that, this is not good. I'm not enjoying this. Whatever I have done so much hard work during my college days, but now I'm not enjoying it. So eventually, she met Barack Obama. That is also an amazing incident. It's a beautiful description how she met him, and I'm not going to give you any spoilers. So you have to read it. So go buy this one. And she left her job. Eventually, she wants to go into some social service. It's basically about that. And after like halfway through the book, there are incidences, there are political campaigns which were going in the United States. And she also talks about how Barack Obama became president and all his journey. There were some political issues which she talks about. I would definitely recommend this book. It's my favorite till now, and I'm definitely going to read it again. And I'm not a reader. I mean, I have recently started reading books, and I never thought that मुझे books बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेंगी. But I'm enjoying, and this one is very special because it motivated me, and that's why it's special. So I would recommend everyone to read this book. And yes, I hope that you will enjoy this book. So that was it for the video. I hope that ये बहुत ज़्यादा boring नहीं हुई होगी. And okay, so if you like this video, then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video.